Namaste students, myself Sunil Kumar from the Department of Computer Science. Today we are moving to the next session based on the chapter Logic Gates. We already discussed with some topics how to construct a circuit diagram. Mainly we are discussing here is how to construct the circuit diagram based on the universal gates. Last class on previous sessions we discussed about basic gates, and last session I explained how to construct the circuit diagram based on the NAND gate. So one example I gave. Today also I am continuing the same session. I will give you some more example. I will take 2 more example or 3 more example, and I will how to write the circuit. Remember that one. Whenever if you are going to write any circuits, first better to write that one better to implement that one using the basic gates. Later on, after implementing that one, later on we can convert that gates into a other circuit only using the NAND gate. So that is the best method. So that will be easy for you also. Then if you are studying like that will be easy. Later you can convert. Then whenever reduce is there, whenever you are going to reduce the circuit, that is possible in that case. So first, how to construct a circuit diagram. Before moving to the circuit diagram, here is a question. Design a logic circuit. You have to design a logic circuit for the Boolean expression. One Boolean expression will be given. For that particular Boolean expression, we have to write the circuit diagram. So the expression here is f is equal to a dash plus b dot a plus b dash. That is the question. For that Boolean expression, we have to construct only using the NAND gate. So first I will rewrite the question here. But the question f is equal to a dash plus b in brackets dot a plus b dash. A dash plus b dot a plus b dash. That is the question. So first is the basic gates. So first we take the basic gates. By using the basic gates we construct, and also next we will take the only NAND gate. By using the NAND gate we can construct that one second. So that's the easiest. So first by using the basic gate, how we can construct NAND gate. First will be the, if you want to construct using the basic gate, first thing you want to remember, what is the method of construction. Whenever if you are going to construct using the basic gates or any other gates, you have to apply the priority rule. First you have to see the brackets. Here brackets are there. Whenever brackets are there, means inside the brackets you should go and you have to apply the priority rule once again. Brackets, then not operation, then AND operation. Later we can perform the OR operations. So here you find the AND not operation. So first you have to find the A dash. So A is the input. First you have to find the A dash. A dash how you can find? So by applying the not operation. By applying the not operation, we can convert A into A dash. So A dash plus B. So plus is given. So when a plus is there, means you have to use the OR operation. Then next, go for second one, A. We should take this as A and this one is B. So A will take directly like this. And B, if you take the B dash is given. Second part, B dash is given. So you should go for B dash. So I am not going to explain how to construct this one because already we explained how to construct this one. So this is A dash, A B dash. So A is a B dash. So A dash, B output will be the A dash plus B. This one is A plus B dash. The construction. After that, next is the AND operation. So I will perform the AND operation here. So this is the AND operation. This is the AND operation. So this is the circuit diagram based on the basic gates. So basic gate circuit diagram. So this circuit diagram we have to construct or we have to convert this circuit diagram by using only the NAND gate. This is the circuit diagram. This circuit diagram we have to convert using only the NAND gate. So I am not going to explain how to construct this one because already explained in previous sessions. In session number 6 or 7. 5 to 6, I explained how to construct the circuit diagram using the basic gates. So, if you have any doubt, go through that one. Let's see the question later. So, here we can ask doubt later. So, here already A dash is just A dash, then plus B. So, plus means OR operation. Then dot is a letter. Then A. I took the A here and also plus B dash. So, B dash is this one. So, I took this one and later I am going to AND. AND means you can perform the dot operation. So this is the circuit diagram using one of the basic gates. After writing this one, the next one you have to convert this using the NAND AND gate. Only using the AND gate you have to convert this one. So whenever using the AND gate, I told you to write down in the previous session. In the previous session I told you to, you should know how to construct the basic gates. You should know how to construct the basic gates, then only it's possible to write. So first, this one, how we can construct this one? Not operation. Not operation, how we can construct? I'll write the not operation here. So this is not operation. Not operation. The next directly I will take one more. This part is over, first part. Next, AND operation. How you can perform the AND operation? Whenever AND operation is there means next is OR operation. A dash plus B. So you got the A dash, A dash plus B. You got to perform. So whenever how you can perform the A dash B? A dash plus B means OR operation. So whenever OR operation is there means we have to use the 3 gates. There are 3 gates. The first one is this gate, and second one is this gate, last one is this one. So you have to use three gates. These 3 gates you have to use. That is a OR gate construction. After that, next one, second part. This clear is over. The first OR gate, then this one. This gate is equal to these 3 gates. These 3 gates is equal to one and OR gate. So next one here. A is there, B is also. So I put this A and this one can be written as B. We got A and B. Later, how we can construct A and take the A here directly. Directly take the A. Next B if we take. First B should be not. You have applied the not operation. So not operation we can write like this. This is not operation. That is not operation. After that, next OR operation. So OR operation means 3 gates are there. You can see that the figure. In that figure, 3 operations are there. So you can write the 3 operations. And then the 3 operations here. The first one is this operation. Second one is one more operation. One more not gate. And finally one more operation. This is actually the NOT gate. OR gate. This is the OR gate. If you want to construct the OR gate, these 3 gates are required. OR gate. And finally AND gate is your finally AND gate. Whenever AND gate is there, how we can construct? Whenever AND gate is there means how we can construct the AND gate? How we can construct the AND gate? Here if you want to construct the AND gate, 2 gates are required. First you have to NOT, then later you have to NOT operation. So combine like this. This is the AND operation. So here you can clearly understand. Here you can understand clearly. First NOT gate. So this is a NOT gate. Second NOT gate. This is the second NOT gate. Then this is OR gate. If you are constructing OR gate, these 3 gates are equal. These 3 gates equal to one OR gate. Then these 3 gates are equal to this OR gate. Because you have to see the circuit diagram or basic gates. So these 3 gates are equal to this OR gate, and finally these 2 gates. That 2 gates are equal to this AND gate. So this is the construction or converting the basic gate into NAND gate. Converting the gates, basic gates into NAND gate. After converting that one, then later you have to check whether 2 in a serial line, in a sequence, whether 2 NOT gates are available or not. Here you can check whether 2 NOT gates are available. Here you can see A. One is the first NOT gate, 2 NOT gates are available. Whenever 2 NOT gates are available, it is possible to delete 2 NOT gates. It's possible to delete 2 NOT gates. So you can directly connect like this. It's possible to connect directly like this. Because 2 NOT gates are there, that we delete. That is not required. If you use a 2 NOT gate, there is no issue in that. If you use the 2 NOT gate together, there is no issue, but number of gates will increase. Number of gates are increased. So when you are going to develop the circuit for any computer and all, then you have to reduce the number of gates. Whenever number of gates are reduced means price also going to reduce. So you have to reduce the total number of gates. Then next here, take this line. This line also 2 NOT gates are available. 2 NOT gates are connected in a serial. So that also we can connect together. So single like this. So this is a circuit diagram. Now this will be the final circuit diagram. Here if you take these two, there is no, it is not possible to delete because it is not in a serial line. Whenever in a sequence 2 NOT gates are there means that is first NOT gate output will be inverted. Later if you invert that one, so it will be equal to first gate or equal to output will be, if you connect 2 NOT gate together, so output will be equal to input. Output will be the equal to input, so there is no need of that 2 gates. That is not required actually. That we can reduce by this. So here is the final circuit diagram using the NAND gates. So what we discussed here, take the one question. First you have converted that into using the basic gates. After basic gates, then we converted that one using the only the NAND gate. So this is one example. I'll move to the one more example. Here is a one more example. We will move to the one more example, that is a plus b whole dash. The question is a plus b whole dash dot a dash plus b dash. This is the question. So therefore this Boolean expression we have to draw the circuit diagram using only the NAND gate. Whenever if you are going to write the NAND gate only circuits, then better to write the, or better to construct that circuit using the basic gates. So first you have to construct the circuit using the basic gates. So later we can convert that into the NAND gate. First you have to better to write that in the basic gate. Later on we can convert that into using the NAND gate. So when you are going to construct the basic gate, what is the question here? The question is given that you can see the question. F is equal to a plus b whole dash dot a dash plus b dash. A dash plus b dash. This is the question. So if you got the question or Boolean expression like this, first convert the circuit or develop the circuit or implement the circuit only using the basic gates. So first you have to construct it like this. First you have to construct the circuit like this. So a plus b whole dash is given. So inside the bracket first we can get a plus b. We have to perform the first operation here, that is a plus b. So a plus b is performed here. I take the two input. One is a plus b is given. So OR operation. So again you have to perform the OR operation. So a and this one is b. This one is a plus b. A plus b whole dash is given. Whole dash means you have to apply the NOT operation. So this is a plus b whole dash. This part is finished. Go for second part. In second part it is given that a dash plus b dash. So first you have to find the a dash. Move and you have to find a dash. A dash you will find like this, a dash. Next one is b dash. Go for b dash. B, I take the b and find b dash. A dash and b dash is over. Next a dash plus b dash. Plus operation means OR. OR operation. A plus b, a dash plus b dash. So this is a plus b whole dash, a dash, b dash, a dash plus b dash. Right? This is a plus b whole dash. This one is a dash, this one is b dash, a dash plus b dash, a dash plus b dash, and finally the AND operation. So I can write AND operation like this. Finally I can write AND operation like this. This is the AND operation. This will be the AND operation. So we got the final output like this. So this is a circuit diagram using the basic gates. That basic gate circuit we have to convert into a NOT gate, or you can say NAND gate. By using only the NAND gate we have to convert. So whenever you can convert that using the NAND gate, same circuit just we are implementing. Same circuit we have to implement once again. So whenever you are going to implement, the first operation is your OR operation. First we take the first operation, OR operation. So how we can do the OR operation? Whenever OR operation is given means first gate and second gate. Alright, once again see. First gate and second one. Then later you have to combine these two. You have to combine these two together. So this will be the first OR gate. This one, first OR gate. Then later NOT gate is there. So how we can construct the NOT gate? When your NOT gate is there means, and write one more color. NOT gate, we can construct a NOT gate like this. NOT gate. This part is there. So NOT gate, you have to convert. You have to write using the NAND gate. This is a NOT gate. But that NOT gate you have to convert. You have to write using the NAND gate. When your NAND gates are there means, you have to use this type of diagram. This is circuit for NOT gate. So that is it. The next one here, one more NOT gate is there. How I can write the NOT gate here? I take this one. I'll go for first. I'll first write the NOT gate. So NOT gate is like this. How you can write the NOT gate? NOT gate. This one is the NOT gate. not gate. So one more not gate is there. This is A dash. Now to find the B dash. We take the B, then go for B dash. B dash. A dash and B dash. A, B is an A dash and B dash we got. After that all. So after that first A dash is over, B dash is also finished. Next we have to OR operation. OR operation means once again three operations are required. Three operations. One. This one, second one, and finally we have to NAND these two. So this is the OR operations. This OR operation. After that, next is the final AND operations. So whenever AND operation is this, first this one is AND operation. This is the AND operation. So this AND operation, to perform this AND operation, you have to connect these two together. You have to connect these together. So this is the circuit diagram. So how we can construct circuit diagram? First you have to consider the basic. All the basic gates you should write down. All the basic gates you have to convert using only the NAND gate. So OR gate, these three is required to construct the OR gate. Next NOT gate, this is the NOT gate. Here next down you can come. Here NOT gate is there, so this is the NOT gate. And finally this one is the NOT gate. That is written here. So NOT gates. After that here OR gate is here. So this is the circuit for OR gate. That is the circuit for OR gate. And finally last AND gate. If you want to construct the AND gate, these two gates are required. That two gates are required for AND gate. So this is circuit. After construction of circuit, next we have to check whether reduction is there. How we can reduce? Whenever two NOT gates are in a sequence. Whenever you find the two NOT gates, sometimes three will be there. 3 means only 2 is possible to delete. So whenever two NOT gates are in sequence, it's possible to delete that one. Check whether it is there or not. Here if you check, here if you check, two NOT gates are together. So this is possible to delete. And this is possible to cancel. Two NOT gates. So directly you can connect like this. Here also two NOT gates are together. Whenever two NOT gates are together means it's possible to delete this one and possible to connect directly. So this is a final circuit for the NAND gate. For the expression A plus B whole dash dot A dash plus B dash. So whenever you are going to construct any circuit or whenever you are going to design any circuit, first you have to see the question. Better to convert that into basic gates. Better to write that one in a basic gate, and later you can convert that into the NAND gate. So whenever you use NAND gate, same thing should be implemented. OR means OR should be implemented. If not means not should be implemented. Next one more. Not means not. AND means AND. Same thing. AND should be implemented there by using the basic gates. Whenever basic gates circuit you know how to construct the basic gates by using NAND, you know that one. So that you should convert here. So this is the second example. Here is the last example based on this concept. So I am not going to explain more than that three. So whenever if you got the question or whenever based on this one, I will give the worksheet, work out the more problems. This is the third question I will be based on this concept. Circuit designing using the NAND gate. So already basic circuit here, question is not given. Think here, sometimes you get given a question like this. For this circuit diagram, we have to convert using the NAND gate. This is the basic diagram is given. This is the basic diagram is given. For this basic diagram, we have to convert that basic diagram using only the NAND gate. So we have to convert using the NAND gate. So when you are using the NAND gate, first you have to think about the gates. First here AND gate is there, then OR gate is there, and also NOT gate. So first AND gate, this gate, and it is gate number 1. Gate number 1, that is one AND gate. How we can construct the AND gate? There are 4 inputs are there, A, B, C, D. There are 4 inputs are there. One is A, B, C, and D. So take the 4 input A, B, C, D, and first 2 input is connected to one AND gate. 2 inputs are connected to one AND gate. So how we can connect to AND gate? Or how we can construct AND gate? This is the method of constructing the AND gate. 2 gates are required. 2 NAND gates are required to construct one AND gate. This is the first AND gate. So go for second one here. Second AND gate is there. How we can construct the second AND gate? So I'll write one more AND gate here. This one is second AND gate. Second AND gate. This one is second AND gate. That's part is first. Next OR gate is given. Next OR gate. How we can construct the OR gate? How we can construct the OR gate? We can construct the OR gate here. This one is construction of OR gate first. second and third one. So 3 gates are required. 3 gates are required to construct the OR gate. This part we finished. Next move to the second part. Here. So A is connected. If you take the A. If you take the A is connected with the NOT gate. How you can construct the NOT gate? NOT gate by combining both the inputs together. By combining both the inputs together, you can construct. And later, one more input is taken as D. From the D we took one more input and try to take the D, and this is constructed. This part is also constructed. So this is A, B, C and D. So one is A dash and D dash. I am not going to explain the expression here. That is not required for us. We have to construct the basic gate into NAND gates. Then after that OR gate is given. After that OR gate is given. So how you can construct the OR gate? Whenever OR gate is there means you can construct by using like this. First you have to construct the OR gate means one NAND gate, one more NAND gate. 2 NAND gates are required. 2 NAND gates, and that 2 NAND gates are connected to a single NAND gate. Single NAND gate. So this is the OR gate. After that, there are 2 OR gates are connected to one AND gate. That 2 OR gates are connected to one AND gate. And so I write AND gate here. One AND gate. So AND gate means 2 inputs are required. 2 gates are required. That 2 gates are connected by using the two gates are connected. That 2 inputs are, one is one OR gate output and one more is one more OR gate output. That 2 connected to one NAND gate. That one NAND gate is connected to one more NAND gate, that is take the 2 input together. So these 2 gates together are known as AND gate. After that later on finally we can see one NOT gate. How you can construct the NOT gate? This one is NOT gate construction. See the figure also here. See here, there are different diagrams. The first AND gate is here. The first AND gate, second AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, OR and NOT gate. These are the gates. First AND gate. This if you consider that gate, this is actually the first AND gate. Then second AND gate. These 3 is act as the OR gate. This 2 is act as one AND gate. These 2 is act as one more AND gate. These 3 gate act as the OR gate. This is NOT gate. This one is NOT gate. And finally this one OR gate. This one, these 2 gates are known as AND gate. Finally this one is a NOT gate. So this is just to convert. Already you will get in a question like this. So if you got the question like this, convert that basic gates into only the NAND gates. So here is a NAND gate circuit. After getting the NAND gate circuit, check whether 2 NOT gates are in the serial line. In the sequence, if you got the 2 NOT gate, that is possible to delete or that is possible to erase. Here, if you take these 2 NOT gates are together, 2 NOT gates. Whenever 2 NOT gates are there, means that is directly connected. That is possible to connect directly. Here also 2 NOT gates are there. Here also 2 NOT gates are there. So that is also possible to delete directly. Then here one more if you take these 2. Here also 2 NOT gates are there. That 2 NOT gates also possible to delete here. Directly, right? And here also 2 NOT gates are there. Here also 2 NOT gates are there. That also possible to delete. Not only this one. If you take this one also, 2 NOT gates are in the sequence. 2 NOT gates are in the sequence. So this is possible to delete. So now we check the total number of NAND gate. Here in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gates are required. But if you take this one, only 5 gates are required. So length of the circuit can be reduced. Whenever if you use a circuit like this, sometimes, not all the time, sometimes length of the circuit or number of the gates also can be reduced in case of universal gates. Here 8 circuits, 8 gates are there, that is reduced to only this much, only with the 5 gate circuit. So this is the method of reducing and also with the converting. Based on this one, I will give you some worksheet workout diagram. By here we reach the end of session today. In this session mainly we discussed about how to construct the circuit diagram using only the NAND gate. Whenever NAND gates are limits, how we can construct the circuit diagram using only NAND gate. Whenever if you are going to construct using the NAND gate, first construct the circuit using the basic gates. First you construct the circuit using the basic gate. Later on you can convert that using the NAND gate. That will be helpful for you. So by here I will wind up my today's session. Thank you.